This is going to be a taste test video of this Berry Crunch Sweetened corn and oat cereal. And I'm not sure if I never had this before, right?
You've never had it yet.
So yeah, so let's get started with this taste test video. So here we go. Let's get started with this taste test video of this Berry Crunch. So here we go. Let's get started with this taste test video. It does taste pretty good. I do like Berry Crunch cereal. Berry Crunch cereal, it tastes good. Oh, it's just crunch. So yeah, I think that's all I gotta say for this taste test video. Thanks for watching.